आहो। अभी मैंने छेड़ी है ना आधा घंटा। इंटेक डीसी ब्रो। यूज इंटेक डीसी। ठीक है, जो आया ठीक है, जो नहीं आया ठीक है। तो यूआरएल्स पे हम बात कर रहे थे। तो अभी मैं क्या करूँगा, तो ये देखो, ये मास स्कैन का रिजल्ट है, बट ये मैंने डिलीट कर दिया है। क्योंकि मुझे कचरा नहीं चाहिए अभी, क्योंकि मैं सोनी को, मेरा मेन टारगेट है, तो मैं सोनी को लेके चल रहा हूँ। तो अभी ये मैंने अभी पोर्ट दिखाया था 8172, तो पोर्ट स्कैनिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है इफ़ यू वांट टू हैक फॉर गुड। और वैसे पोर्ट स्कैनिंग पेन टेस्टिंग का इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है। स्कैनिंग एंड एनुमरेशन इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट, क्योंकि रैक ऑन हो गया बट आप उसका एनुमरेट ही नहीं कर पाए तो उसको एक्सप्लॉइट नहीं कर पाओगे। ठीक है, तो पल्स में जाते हैं एनालाइज। तो अभी हमारे पास क्या है, cat url dot txt. So what I will do, I will split all of them, uh, gf xss, also replace with fudge, sort you make e xss.txt. सो जितने भी यूआरएल हैं, आयरन जी एफ टोल, और फिर मैं क्या उस रिप्लेस यूज़ कर रहा हूँ ताकि वो सभी पैरामीटर को रिप्लेस करके उनकी वैल्यू को फज में कन्वर्ट कर दे, लाइक दिस। ओके, सो अभी यहाँ पे दो मेन पार्ट आते हैं। सो बेस्ट वे, अभी के लोग क्या करते हैं कि इसके ऊपर FF2 या फिर इसको पेलोड पे लगा देते हैं, तो इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग डैट यूज़ के एक्सेस। सो जो के एक्सेस टूल है वो क्या करेगा, ये क्या करेगा, जितने भी मींस जितने भी वो होंगे ना हमारे, क्या कहते हैं, पैरामीटर रिफ्लेक्ट होंगे, सिर्फ वो वैल्यू तुम्हें देगा छांट के। तो तुम्हें इतने जो जितने इतने एंड पॉइंट्स है ये सब टेस्ट मैनुअली नहीं करने पड़ेंगे, और तो वो क्या करेगा, जितने भी ये पैरामीटर हैं इनके ऊपर एक वैल्यू देगा, और जो भी रिफ्लेक्ट होगा उनको तुम्हें आउटपुट में देगा। तो जैसे ही वो मिलेगा तुम्हें, तो तुम वहाँ पे तुम्हारा चांस है कि तुम्हें एक्सेस मिलेगा। तो अभी करते हैं इसको इंस्टॉल। अरे यार, तो मेरा जो गो है वो थोड़ा लेटेस्ट वर्जन है, सो गेट वर्क नहीं करेगा। मैं लगा देता हूँ लेटेस्ट। जो भी यहाँ पे यूआरएल रिफ्लेक्ट हो गए, उन पे हम एक्सेस फाइंड करने का ट्राई करेंगे। टी के एक्सेस डॉट टेक्स्ट। तो जब तक ये चल रहा है हमारा, तो मैं क्या करूँगा, I will get urls dot txt and then what I will do, yep, data. Let's replace with fudge and short you unique direct dot txt। तो अभी जितने भी ये यूआरएल मिले हैं हमें, जितने भी ये रिजल्ट है, हम इनको ऊपर रिडायरेक्ट ट्राई करेंगे। और मैं जो टूल यूज़ कर रहा हूँ वो यूज़ कर रहा हूँ ओरलाइजर। ठीक है, तो अभी ये मैं बस टूल बता रहा हूँ ऊपर रिडायरेक्ट से। सो ओ आर एल redir डॉट टी एच टी एंड पेलोड्स मैं इसके डिफॉल्ट दूंगा ओरलाइजर एंड पेलोड्स डॉट टी एच टी। सो ये इतना पहले ही हो चुका था, तो इसलिए वो कुछ नहीं दिखा रहा था। तो जो तुम्हें ये क्या क्या करता है, हेडर बेस्ड रिडक्शन मीन्स होस्ट हेडर इंजेक्शन, और डोम बेस रिडायरेक्शन और नॉर्मल रिडायरेक्शन, वो सब फाइंड करके देता है। ठीक है, तो ये ओरलाइजर है। और दूसरा जो मैं टेक्निक यूज़ करता हूँ वो ये है कि स्टोर नहीं है, रुका मैं करता हूँ। सपोर्ट 64 GB। कैट कॉपी लिंक पेस्ट नहीं हो रहा, क्या बात है। भी कुछ इशू हुआ है मेरा, हो गया। सो काफ़ी इंस्टॉल हो गया। ओके, और जो मैं पेलोड यूज़ करूँगा वो मैं यूज़ करूँगा जेएडिक्स डायरेक्ट। तो कौन सा था यार, तो जो नीचे आएंगे वो सभी पेलोड हैं। ठीक है, तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, ये सब कॉपी करता हूँ और तो ये सब हमारे सेव हो गई। क्लियर। अभी हम इसको क्या एक तरीके से और कर सकते हैं, इसके दो मेथड हैं रीडायरेक्ट के। दूसरा तो हम पेलोड यूज़ करें, और जो हमारा नॉर्मल है, जैसे अभी क्या वो रिप्लेस है, वो फौज को हम किससे रिप्लेस कर देंगे, गूगल डॉट कॉम। और अभी इसको हम फाइल बना लेते हैं, टी गूगल डॉट टी एक्स टी। तो ये एक नॉर्मल पेलोड है, एफ एफ डब्ल्यू रीड आ रहा है, dot txt, and in URL what I will do, or let's name this word list as URL, and I want response code 301 302. Okay, and threads keep it 100, and let's do. So जितने भी एंड पर हमें 301 या 302 देंगे, हमें सिर्फ वही टेस्ट करने हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक दिस इट विल गिविंग मी status 301. Okay, so status 301 301 means these are temporary redirect, so I will stop this tool, and instead of getting 301 I'm trying only 302. Okay, so I think let's copy this and try in browser what I will get. So what we want, we don't want the extra condition here. So this is the kx, and it will show what they are allowed, what they are not allowing. So using that, it's a very uh, helpful tool. Let me copy only this. Why it's not copying all of this stuff? So I think it's done, and let me try this one, normal one. So let's see we are getting or it or not. So we are not getting. Let's F1 F12. Oh sorry. So what I will do, I will paste it and see its response code. So you can see we are getting 302. That's why it giving us in the result, but it's not a proper redirect. Okay, so you can use this, utilize ff tool using it. सोने वाला रिकॉर्ड डाटा भाई मैसेज कर देना टेलीग्राम पे, मैं ट्राई करूँगा शेयर करने। तो जितना भी जो भी रिजल्ट है, तो अभी ये सिर्फ 302 रिजल्ट हमने फिल्टर किए, तो अगर कोई रीडायरेक्ट होता है तो हमें ये मैनुअली चेक करना है अभी. For example, let's check this one. You can see it's also giving me 302, but not on google.com. And response header 302 phone location header. It's giving on the main domain, so there is no use. So this is the basic technique of doing it. And second is what. So actually I'm just giving an example, bro. Sony does not accept open redact if you don't escalate it to something else. So second technique is redir.txt while read URL. What we want to do dot w, and we want the payload to payloads or.txt, and URL is dollar $URL, and what we want only 302, and mr google match response no, match code 302, and threads keep it 200, and let's hit that. So now what it will do, it will just fetch every URL and run fff payloads. As we already give fudge, so it will automatically encountered error. Maybe I missed something else. It get onto while. So let's see what we have done wrong here. Tool over.txt URL while read URL. We want do of w payload list, okay. Dollar URL mc302. Let's do it in normal case. W payloads over.txt payload w retar.txt URL payload, and match code 302 T200. So it will start it, and it will start giving me result. So any it will, what it will do, it will run every payload on each URL, and since already given the fudge, so it will automatically fetch everything. But it not placing fudge. Let me try while loop again. Delete URL to overflow w payload dot. Return to do of and to be dollar URL and payloads to payloads var.txt and say 200 300 to T200 done. So it's keeping error file to payloads var.txt. Well, let's do it in another way. Payload do cat redir.txt. Just replace dollar payload done. And what we want it p txt. So now it will automatically attach all the payloads. And you can see it monkey access is resonant learning here, and it allow these and it will mention on what parameter it is unfiltered. You can see ps unfiltered, map unfiltered. So which on which parameter you have to try. And so we get all these. Okay, this is the payload list for redirects. So I'm stopping this because it will be huge list. So I'm just stopping it. Clearing the screen. So now let's add port.txt. So this port.txt contains a URL list with a open redirect payload. So now what I will do, port.txt you fetch and T200 MC302. So let's see how many more results we will get. But Recon already shared it, or Recon script already shared it. It only showing 926. Okay, okay, okay. So I got it. Uh, we have done it in a wrong way. Cat roll.payload.or.txt. Instead of doing this, I have to do A. So in the last one, I have done a error due to it's overwrite the old payload list. So I'm getting only 926 result, but now I get more results than that. भाई गिटहब पे है मेरे, और मैं पोर्ट और आईपी वाला ये सब डाल रहा हूँ वहाँ पे. So in last one I'm getting 9 to 6 result. Now let's see. I'm closing this. So ff4.txt, first short this cat4.txt, short you uniquely or.txt. Now we have more result than that. And there is XSS going on, and map is unfiltered. So let's stop this and see what map and unfiltered. So copy this. So let's do it with Workbox. See, is it really reflecting somewhere? Okay, so it's in the JSON format in a script. Okay, so I think that will do it. Alert one. I have to check. Okay, it's using Akamai web figure XSS JSON. So you can see how helpful is KXS, and you can see these all are unfiltered. So close these brackets, but I think due to alert it will cancel out my request. So first what I will do, instead of giving this, I will see test. Yeah, it's allowing that. Okay, So I think it's blocking the alert. No, it's not blocking. So let's expand it a little more. Yeah, alert one. It's blocking this. So let's try. Okay, let's go to twitter.com. So this is the one payload, but it will not work in this payload. I think not will be work in our case because it reflecting in JSON. Okay, so for JSON, I think the payload normally work is this alert one. Maybe I'm not sure, but I hope so. It will work. Or I think it will be like this. It will allow this. And let's see our alert. So alert. So it's get URL encoded. So due to ACMI, it's not possible in JSON because all these payload are differently working. So let me try this one. Yeah, it's getting locked. Okay. So now let's move on to another parameter. And store.sony.com, let's forget it. Get axs.txt. We don't want grab store. Oh, sorry, we don't want grab. Let's see, lang is unfiltered. So first, what we will do? Delphux, it will take time, bro. Instead, I will try manual stuff. And when I come, my Delphux will be get blocked. So I'm just giving the idea. I'm not doing because YouTube will be do their stuff on this. So let's first see what is our payload reflected products. Okay, in meta parameter. And firstly, what I would look at. Okay, so Akamai, so it's also using Akamai. So what I will do, log into reply. So I'm giving you one hint here. For example, if you find any forum like website, you know there is a logout CSRF, logout CSRF, and it's P5. Okay, P5. So we will try to escalate if there is no CSRF here, no CSR protection on. So first I will close this. My network is getting slow. So let's sign up. So I have to use my email. Uh, that should try. I have not installed Burp in my system right now, so I will install it later. And I will try to hunt on this domain. So take it at the rate 15. Email already exists. Okay. So let's. Oh yeah, I have tried SSD. Oh, it's a developer.com. Okay. So let's go to forum.developer.com and we have logged in. Okay, so let's try. Shit. So let's what I will do. Well, look, and is there any logo CSRF on it? This is the request course. Any logout. Sign out. Then let me go to drive.com. Let it be download. So I will try to hunt on this. So you can try. So what is the trick of P5 logout CSRF? So for example, okay, bro. So let's say there is a forums dot target.com. So and there is no logout CSRF protection. So what you have to do is to escalate this. Go to any post or comments or even your profile. Try to find HTML injection. And what you need to do then, img src logout URL. So once you will done this, what happen? Any user visit this img src logout, the user will be logged out from the system automatically. And I have found it's on hacker one. Wait a minute, I will stop sharing and try to fetch that POC. But I think issue is not fixed yet. So I will share that later once it will fix it. So MGSRC logout URL. So this is the P5 logout CSRF P5 escalating with HTML injection. It will lead to P3 or P2. P4. So what you have to do? So we have this. First thing we let's move on to recon on recon. So we have now this endpoints on this application, and also it's using Akamai, so there is no use. So what we'll do, I will use tr search you and okay, search controller tr search controller tr search. Yeah, so we will use this one, pasting my URL here. So until that goes on, what I will do, I will look into JS. So anything admin is admin false. Okay, so these endpoints are important. Okay, so I get these endpoint and global mode false. So when I will register or log in, I will try to intercept this and try to manipulate or add this parameter automatically, even it not exist. So I will add external parameter is admin equal to true and see if I am become admin. So this is the nice tip to look into GS file analysis. And let's move more. Admin is only title admin. Okay, so let's go to config json.parse upload URL asset upload. So there is a I got there is a upload, also upload functionality and asset page URL assets. So first we need the assets, not found assets. Okay, upload. Okay, so these are after authentication. Okay, So instead, what I will try to do something more interesting here. So there is a assets request, and I will do is send it. Change method to post and apply. Body test. So we are getting 404. Okay, so good. 404 not found. 404 not found. Okay. So this is the basic bypass of 403 page, or by converting post or using keeping content length equal to 0. But since I'm using developer option, I think download is done. Okay, so extract to desktop, and I'm using crack one. Okay, so firstly install OpenJDK 8. Since it's 1.7, so it will use OpenJDK 8. So let's download. I want this for Windows XE. We want JDK MSI. So try to find any API config. Okay, so let's go to API. Okay, about this form, the assignment good config set suppose. So I don't think anything interesting here. This website is which user agent is authorized. So these are the parameters I would try to fetch. So it's configuration at client side, not server side. So it will showing my configuration at my browser. So not so good images. That sounds interesting. Images. Unauthenticately I can't image service. Okay. Sound interesting. Login. That's the part. Install. Okay. So I think Java will install or not. Let's see. Java is not here. See, not, it's not installed. GDB ping JavaScript. Okay. So let's configure path this PC. This to a specification advanced system setting. Environment variables path it. So okay, okay, okay. So let's see CMD Java. Okay, Java C. Yeah, clear CLS. So it's installed. Let's go to so it will work. Then this okay. Next, open GDB now. Open the top. There is something else and reset. Okay, reset password functionality. What is top? These are the top post. Not able to log. JDK 8 install. पंचेरी डाउनलोड बस fail. You don't want, you want archive data. We have done this. What time on now? So image is shown is interesting to me. Just so let's first this also. It's for those I don't want password. भाई मैं सिर्फ सोनी.com पे ही हैक करता हूँ। सचिन पांडे भाभी कहीं मिलेगी उनको भी लाइव लाना सर। भाई ढूंढ दे। forgot my username. So it's so it's let me check into my phone. Okay. So passport. Test. It's works. Nothing good. So what I will do? We'll create a word list for images and then we will try to fetch this. And so let's do it. Okay, so let's get it clear. Uh, you get all the file name related to image. नहीं ब्रो, ओरेकल पे नहीं करवाना है। ये सोनी चल रहा है, सोनी। ये क्या हो गया? तो अभी इमेजेस के लिए वर्ड लिस्ट बन चुका है। सो until that goes on, as such, images, images w images txt 300, I only 200, 403, 401. So we are using created a custom world list for image files, and what we try to do using 300, I will do fetch only 200 status code or 403 or 401. So let's keep it running, and world list size is 7906. So using webAq URL you can create a custom world list also, as I said earlier. And let's create another world list also. Yes. So series one clear, series ones. Yes. Get let's grab cut d by slash f3 and so on. Want this? Okay. So we getting the domain also. We don't want it, so we use instead of use instead of using this, I'm closing this. Okay. So we get images status. Okay. Images status version 1.06. Okay, so nothing good, full equal to true, but same. So let's exit this window. So let's clear this, and we want only endpoint from 4, and we will create this waytech.txt. So now we are getting the customer list from wayback URLs and crawling. So we will try to run this and try to fetch something else uh, that skip by default world list of dr search. So you can create custom world list using this or using Zool. I already told that in my last streams. Hey, shit, we have not downloaded it. So site I like dedicate and get here and let's download it now. Saved and download. Okay, so we are downloading now. So let's remove this. So maybe this is because we are running this. Let's close this also. Try again. So now delete all these. Continue. So now we have customer list and we will try to run this also, and until that goes on, what I will do. LF, I think I have not set up that. So let's set up LF. सो अभी मैं थोड़ा ब्रेक लूंगा भाई, इसके बाद लिंक फाइंडर को रन करके उसके बाद फिर कंटिन्यू करेंगे, क्योंकि फिर मैं डिनर करूंगा भाई. For fudging FFF is good too, but for directory searching, DR search is well. So what we'll do, cd to s rm dot rm star. I think that will work. Okay. So duplicate cd setup. Okay. Sorry. Right. Setup. And we want it installed. Okay, so let's set up this sys left to 3 control link under let's see what is the name of file finder dot. Source okay, so it's set up cd sound volume. So we are doing it on from dot developer sony.com. So let's do the So we will do twice. One is without authentication, and second we will do is with authentication. Okay, let's three and HTTP let's go to www.com. Not sound interesting. Nothing. Facebook static. Okay, that's one more thing. Any external endpoint we get. jQuery.js. Only getting YouTube, Google Analytics, text, nothing. Let's publish it. Is it authenticated? Okay, it's a JavaScript file. CDN Kukila, we are not interested in third party. Yeah, that sound interesting. File consent. Okay, consent. We are getting uh, get one image X icon. It's a type href assist upload system. We are getting this. Six uploads. Found system. Okay. Save icon to not interesting. Manifest. That sound cool. Wait and go to this. Only developer forms, only developer. Okay, that's just a basic information. मैं भी जा रहा हूँ भाई खाना खाने. Assets, images, anything like images, plugins, assets, uploads, base variables, JSON parts, assets, uh, iframe logging. Okay, merge request. This after authentication, I think it will be sound interesting. Let's see what it will do. Merge request. Okay, so let's try this. It is my email address. Yes, this is the way it will work. think all list is finally done using Wayback. Let's see what more will be a developer for form registration. Not already know that guidelines, rules, categories of this form, and this is the post of teaser. Okay, the form has been posted. Continue. Will I get an email? Let me check in my phone. If we get, then it will be sound interesting to exploit. Uh, nope. So let's go to that page again. So let's go to that endpoint again. Give something interesting here. PXSS. I just started with this platform. So let's see how it will work. First frame, JavaScript payload, direction. Okay, the form has been posted. Let's go back and use this now. Enter. Let's try this also. Oh, sorry. Home account email is this. Um, let's see. Okay. Anything interesting one is this. So let's go to back and refresh it. So we want this, we want this. Okay. And last one we want to try is this one. So let's try in search also. Original found. So this is my blind access methodology. I will put it anywhere, even if it's storing in logs, whatever. I will put everywhere into headers, whatever. Interesting payloads I use is iframe and I have JSRC. And if it's a DOM based accesses, then I will use this to get uh, converting into blind accesses. ठीक है भाई, अभी मैं ऑफ कर रहा हूँ इसको। कल यहीं से कंटिन्यू करते हैं, अगर मुझे कुछ मिला तो वो भी मैं कल शेयर करता हूँ। बट अब डेली वीक में हम 2 बार वो लाइव स्ट्रीम करेंगे रिगार्डिंग द बाउंड्री, and I will share what I will learn new stuff in the mountain. Thank you everyone. किसी को कुछ क्वेश्चन है तो पूछ लो भाई। Because I'm getting images in the form.developer.com. So let's see. Because it does not allow me to fetch images unauthenticatedly. So if I can fetch any image without unauthenticatedly, so I will try to get more impact here. Whatever. So let's set up my burp. ओके एवरीवन, थैंक यू। तो हम कल फिर लाइव आएंगे। कल आई थिंक मैं मेरा पॉडकास्ट भी हो एक। सो लेट्स सी। टेक केयर। बाय। You can use keystreak or read the documents. I will explain that tomorrow. Don't worry, bro. Polyglot payload. I am GSRC on error with SSTI. Wow.